Alright, what's going on YouTube? It is Alex from Techrific back again with another video, and as you guys can see, we have the green iPhone 15 right in front of us. If you guys haven't checked out the day in the life and the unboxing, maybe they're not up yet, but if they are, make sure to go check them out. Look at this thing, so beautiful, nice pastel green, and we picked up the green, or I should say the mint, iPhone 15 silicone case with MagSafe. Somehow it is already calling our name by being opened. So without any further ado, let's do the usual, pull it out, and there you guys go. Set that aside. Look at how it matches the green iPhone 15. This just puts an immediate smile on my face. Such a pretty light color, and the case looks really nice. Now, most of the pastel colors, or the more interesting colors, are only on the base model of iPhones recently, and I've been mostly sticking to the Pro iPhones where we kind of have those bland colors. So to see a green, a blue, a pink, a yellow, a red iPhone with beautifully matching cases is honestly just amazing. So this is a Apple silicone case. Pop that right out, always a satisfying unboxing experience. We got the green wallpaper with the dynamic island. Let's look at the little MagSafe animation. Let's make sure to turn on the ringer, that way we could hear the MagSafe animation sound. Beautiful. And there it is. This is how it looks like. Honestly, in my personal opinion, it looks amazing. So we're just gonna put the box right on the side just to see how one-to-one it is. And the box itself seems a little darker. This one seems a little more teal on the phone, but the box seems darker. It's about the same shade, I want to say, as the iPhone itself, but it does make a nice two-tone display. The button on this side, the power button, nice and tactile. The cutout for the ring silence switch, nice and tactile as well. The volume up and down, beautiful. Camera protection, as always, really good. Screen protection, a little lip. And other than that, the feel in the hands, silicone. It's not gonna slip in and out of your pockets easily, but it does offer great grip, which is good if you easily drop your phone. The cutouts for the USB-C, as well as the speaker and the microphone, looks great. And honestly, it's amazing. It's awesome. The one-to-one color representation is something that I will not get tired of. I love Apple cases, and it's a certified Apple product, just as Tech Realism would say, it's certified real tech. Let's test out the dirty MagSafe case right on here. Does it stick? Yes, it does. Does it charge? I always have trouble turning this on. I'm gonna need to buy a new one. I've dropped it so many times. I feel like the wires inside are not properly connected anymore, but there you go. And it charges. This battery does need some charging. It is at 16%. We've had a long day with the iPhone 15. We filmed a day in the life. Make sure to go check it out if you haven't already, right up here. And I just wanted to jump on here. I saw this at Best Buy. You guys wanted me to check it out, so I just brought you guys a little nice unboxing and first impressions. Make sure to go check out the short that I will make about this case. And until then, it's been Alex from Techrific. It is. If you guys would like to see more short case videos just like these, let me know in the comment section down below. Smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and share it around. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for stopping by.